Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alerts YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to see job openings from Tirupati Life Sciences. Friends, Tirupati Life Sciences is hiring for the following departments, and before letting you know the complete details, please subscribe to our channel for regular job updates and also click that notification bell icon. Friends, here you can see on the screen the department they are hiring for production oral solid dosage form, and the roles are packaging and manufacturing with different designations. The qualification they are asking is ITI for all the departments, for all the job roles, and the experience they are asking is 5 to 8 years and 2 to 5 years for packaging assistant associate. If you are interested, you can send your resume to the following mail ID, which is already provided on the description of the video and also on the screen. And the job location is Himachal Pradesh. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.